We're here at Automate 2026, and here in this show we are launching a couple of new products. One of them is called PQ180T. PQ180T is the new product in the product lineup of pneumagiQ. pneumagiQ already has 4 other products, and this 5th one enhances the range of pneumagiQ. So pneumagiQ is basically an end-of-arm tooling interface that comes between the robot and pneumatic grippers. Now, for most pneumatic grippers, when you have to set up the pneumatic grippers, it gets quite complicated because we've got to have a lot of tubings which go back and forth, and different kinds of pneumatic valves and a PLC control and all of these things that go together. And it requires an engineer who has experience and knowledge on knowing how to put these things together. So with pneumagiQ, what we've done is we've simplified the whole thing. We've just got one inlet of compressed air coming in, and in this product of ours, we've got all the pneumatic valves and the PLC built into it, and it seamlessly talks back with the robot and enabling an engineer to be able to install it in as less as 10 minutes. PQ180T has 2 grippers. As I mentioned, it could be of any brand, it could be of any configuration, which are sitting tandem opposite to each other. So in this orientation, it allows one to be able to take the robot into the CNC machine, unload the part from the chuck, the gripper, the robot rotates just about 90 degrees, and that brings the air blow off right in line, cleans off the chuck, and with another 90 degrees rotation, it can put the new part inside the chuck.